Hello everyone, welcome to this new course. This is a Laravel course. I have created this project using the Laravel 12 and it is the latest Laravel framework. I have created a grocery e-commerce website using Laravel. And in this website, this is the front end and I am going to explain you so that you can understand what is developed here. You see that this is a HTML template created with Bootstrap, and after that I have converted it into the Laravel and I have also implemented the backend for it. There are totally two type of user. One is a normal user or customer and another one is admin. And this is the front end of this project, and here you see there is a top bar here and there is a login and registration button or link. And then there is a header section where there is a logo, there is a menu, and there is a search product option and wish list and cart. And you will see that there is a fresh organic vegetables. This one here, you will see that this is a slider option, and if you want, you can show sliders one after another. And you can control the slider from the backend. You see there are some product categories or shop by categories, and here you will see if you want to show all the products, that is the beverage category or fresh fruits category. If you click here, it will take you to the product space by this category, and after that you will see some featured products here. So total 8 featured products are selected from the admin panel so that they can show in this case, and admin will be able to show any product on the front end that will be as featured product. And now I am going to show you another thing, that is here in the bottom or in the footer there is a newsletter subscriber option and there is a nice footer. So this is in short the home page. Now I am going to show you the category wise page. There are total 5 categories in this website, you see, and also if you go here there are some only few categories to show into the home page. If I now click on any categories like this, you will see that this category's product will be shown. And if you select on fresh fruits, you will see these are the categories shown here. And after that, if I select this one, you will see that these category products will be shown here. If you want to show all the products, here is the products. If I click here, you will be able to see all the products. So there is a pagination implemented here, so that in a single page you will be able to see total 9 products, and then go to the page number 2, another 9 products. Go to page number 3, there will be another 9 products. In this way the pagination will work. And you will see there is a total search functionalities in the product page. If you want to search the product by the min price or max price, it is possible. And also you can search the product by the product rating. And you see there is a rating in some products. For example, this product rating is average rating is 4, and in this product the average rating is 4.5. So in this way there are some products and ratings here given, and you can apply filters, and you will be able to see the sort by system here. If you select price low to high, you will see that the price low to high will be shown here. And if you want to show the price high to low, then you will see that prices from high to low are showing here. In this way you will be able to see every product. You can sort the product by the name. You see A to Z, so A product, B product, then C. In this way it is coming. If you want, you will be able to sort by Z to A, so W, S, R, P. In this way it is coming towards A. And after that there is a product low to high rating, so these are all the low rating products. And if you click on high to low, you will see that the best rating coming first, then this, in this way. Actually these 2 products I tested to give the rating, so these have rating and other products do not have any rating. Now here you will be able to click on any product to see the detail of that product. For example, if I click on this product, you will see this product detail is coming, and here you see this percentage off is this, total 2 reviews and some data. And there is a product variations here, so that admin can set up the product variations. For example, the product name is bell pepper, but it has multiple weights that can be 500 gram, 1 kg, 2 kg. So for the 500 gram, you see this is 4.50 and 9, and this is in stock. Okay, so now if I click on 1 kg, you will see this one, and this is also in stock available. If I click 2 kg, so the 2 kg sale price is this and regular price is this. In this way you will be able to see. If I click on here and 2 kg is selected, so it will be 24 and 32. That means it will be double of previous. So in this way it will come in this way. Okay, so this is a thing. And add to cart means this product will be added to the cart, and there is a product description here and some related products are given here. That means under the same category products it will be shown here. And you see there is a reviews. You see there are 2 customer reviews here, and a person must have to log in order to write a review. A person can give the review only one time for any particular product, and he will not be able to edit or modify that rating. And also if he does not log in, he will not be able to give any rating here. You will see that there is a cart icon here. If you want to add this product into the cart, just click here. You will see this variant of that product is added into the cart. If I select another variants also and the item of quantity, you see that separate variant is also adding into the cart. If I now want to add any other product into the cart, for example this one, and then I am going to select the variant for this, and this one I am going to add into the cart. So you see the cart data is here, and there is also coupon system or discount system is added, and delivery fee was automatically added. So from the admin panel you can set up the standard delivery that will be shown by default, and so that default delivery fee will come here automatically first time. But you can change the delivery fee or delivery option when you will go to the checkout. But if you go to the wants to go to the checkout, it will ask you to log in. So I am coming there so that you can understand. But you can apply the coupon here. For example, there is no coupon, but if I can apply a coupon like this and click on apply, you see coupon applied successfully. So the coupon name is this, and the discount rate, after the calculation of the discount rate, it is coming here, and the total price is now here. And now if you want, you can clear the total cart in the single click, or if you want, you can delete this one and you can create minus, so like this. So if you want, click here, the cart will be updated successfully. In this way it will run, and now the total price is this one. So this is in short the shopping cart, and you see total 3 products are added into the cart. So in the top there is a 3 is showing. That means total 3 products are into the cart. And this is the thing to proceed to checkout. In order to check out, you will have to log in as the user. You see a user can easily create an account here, and then click on agree to terms and condition and create account. Then an account will be created for this user, and the user will be able to log in. You will be able to see a link in the registration. So if he clicks on that registration, then the product will be registered. Then he will be registered in this system, and he can log in that time. So that means the email confirmation is needed here. And if he clicks on the login, then there is a email and password here, and using the email and password he can then log in. So when registration is successful, he will give his email and then he will give his password. He will be logged in successfully. And this is the dashboard for the users. He will be able to see all his orders, invoice, etc. He will be able to see from here. And also when there will be a cart. So now if I click on proceed to checkout, it will take me to the checkout page. And you see the order summary is here, subtotal is here, delivery fee is here, discount is here. So total is there. If you want, if you click on place order, then it will go to the PayPal if PayPal is selected, and if Stripe is selected, if you click on place order, it will take you to the Stripe checkout page. And if you select cash on delivery place order, then the payment will be pending until the admin approve it. And this is the system of the place order. And you will see there is a billing and shipping details, the same I put here. So if the user has the data, for example, if the user has in the dashboard, that is the profile settings, if you already set up the data, that will be shown into the checkout page here. And the standard delivery was 6. If he clicks on express delivery, you see it is updated and now it is 10. If you select the fast delivery, then it will be updated and this is 46. And he will be able to come back to the standard delivery again. So this kind of delivery method, and which will be by default, this you can easily handle from the admin panel. And after billing and shipping, just click on here and click here, then it will be paid. And if you want, you can clear the cart like this. Okay, so you see the shopping cart is now empty. And when the cart is empty, you will not be able to go to the checkout because the cart is empty. And here you will see that there is a wish list option. This user has one item in the wish list. He can go to see the product from here, or he can make the wish list empty by clicking on this icon. And here is the orders. So all the orders the user made previously, that is given as a history. There are total 2 status. One is payment status and another is delivery status. So when the payment will be successful, it will be paid, and for the cash on delivery type, it will normally be pending. So when the delivery man will go to deliver the product and he will make the delivery status completed, then admin can come back here and make the payment status paid. So it depends how you will implement this. And there are some steps. For example, first time the delivery status will be pending, then it will be processing, then it will be shipped, and finally it will be delivered. If the user click on any item, for example here, he will see an invoice here. So if he click on the print button, he will be able to print everything in a good format. The user will be able to update all his profile settings from here. He can change his password from here also, and change this photo, and then this photo will be changed. Now I am going to log in into the admin, the website URL /admin/login. If he gives, then it will come, and then I am going to log in here as the admin. So this is my admin panel, and in the admin panel, the admin can change the edit profile. That means the admin can change his name and email address and password from here. Now there is a manage settings, and from here admin can change the logo of the website, favicon of the website, top bar of the website. That means the top bar information, this one and this one. Also the footer information, these things admin can change. Also admin will be able to change the contact information and this one. And then there is a footer option, and admin will be able to change the footer from here. So in the manage product, admin can create the categories and manage the categories. Which categories he wants to show on the home page, he can select manually from here. And there is a product option. Admin will be able to add all the products from here like this, and product category is this and everything. And if admin wants to create the additional information, he can go here and add the additional information here. So if he add additional information here, then that will be added into here in this section. You see, these two are the additional information here. And now I am going to back, and you will see there is a product variation. So this is the banana. So product variation is this. So level is 6 piece. So 6 piece, when there is a 6 piece banana, sale price is this or regular. I am going to show you another product so that you can understand. For example, the orange, and product variation is this. So 1 kg orange has the sale price this and regular price was this. Stock is 21 kg. That means total 20 kg. And you see the 2 kg packet, its price is this and regular price is this. So in this way, he can manage the product variations. Also, there is a coupon system. The admin will be able to create the coupon or edit the coupon. That means they manage the coupon. And there is a delivery option here, and the standard, delivery, express, and fast. So admin will have to make any particular delivery as the default. So that default will be shown when a person will come to the cart page for the first time. Now there is a page content. Admin can change the page content for the privacy, contact terms page. Also the manage user. Admin can create user, edit or delete any user, or make any user suspended. It's a top operations admin can run from here. And manage subscriber is this. Admin can export subscriber as CSV file, clicking on this. And there are some orders admin will be able to see. And admin can change the delivery status from here. If you click here, you see the select status is this. Admin can make the status to any of this. And then there is the rating calculation. Admin can see the ratings from here, and admin can delete the ratings if needed. And slider, facts, these are okay. Posts, admin can manage the post. And there is a comment section. Admin can manage the comment. So admin can reply the comment, give reply. So admin can reply to any comment that is coming from this person, and comment is this. And all the replies for any particular comment admin will be able to check from here. And admin can change the status from approved to pending, or from pending to approved anytime. And admin can also delete the replies. So this is in short the admin panel and the whole project review, including the admin panel and front end and user panel. And I hope you will enjoy the course very much. So I will tell you to purchase this course and enjoy your learning and become a professional e-commerce Laravel developer.